What's up, guys? Derek Johnson of the Freedom Factory here, and you aren't going to want to miss this one. So drop a comment as soon as you possibly can. You won't want to lose out on this offer. But if you're new to the channel, go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and smash that bell if you don't want to miss future videos like this. And if we're just connected on YouTube and you want to connect on Facebook, I put my link in the description as well so you can get a chance to catch these while they're live. I sped this one up for you. It went a little long, so I sped it up to like 1.5. I talk kind of slow anyway, so hopefully that'll help you get through the whole video. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, drop them below, and I'll be sure to reply to all of those. I'm going over a few of the new changes coming up soon, and I have a great offer in this video for you as well that you'll want to take advantage of. So with that being said, let's jump right into this live training from Facebook, and I'll catch you at the end of the video. If you're seeing this live, go ahead and smash the like button, drop me a comment. Let me know what's up with your day, how the kiddos are doing, getting back to school, whatever it might be. I got a new offer for you because we have some kind of new exciting stuff going on. So first one to drop a comment on this live video on Facebook, and this is going to go on YouTube as well. So the first comment on my YouTube channel, I'm going to hook you up, so be sure to do that. You're going to get this offer absolutely free, so be sure to engage on whichever channel you're watching this. If I get a bunch of comments too, I'm going to go ahead and probably hook up some other people. But guaranteed, first one to comment on Facebook, what's up, Justin? And first one on YouTube, I'm going to hook you guys up with a free gift. So we got some cool stuff in the works right now as far as software goes. What you're looking at behind me on the screen is actually our Genius Pages funnel builder. So it took a little bit, but now we have payments integrated, so you can charge right through your Genius Pages account. Right now we just have a Stripe integration, so you do need a Stripe account as well. We're not working with PayPal right now, but honestly, I wouldn't work with them anyway because they're not very good. But I just built this quickly just to demonstrate the power of Genius Pages. So I'm adding for the first 3 people who sign up for this deal, and I'm going to walk through each software you're going to get, as well as the training I'm going to cover for your bonuses with this offer. The first 3 people I'm hooking up with a Genius Pages account as well. So if you're still using ClickFunnels, paying $97 a month or $297 a month, I'm going to save you at least a car payment size monthly recurring expense if you jump onto this offer. So just quickly go through this. Basically, I whipped this up in 3 sections, and this first section is just a video. I did this previously. I'll come in here later and update this video with the new information. But you can see here, I can just click play. I'm gonna hit mute, and it'll walk through my previous video. What's up, Matthew? So you can use YouTube or Vimeo, whichever you prefer. I just got a button here, and it links down to the cart. This section is kind of like product description. There's all kinds of different components you can use. Some are pre-built for you and really easy to edit. So it's really coming along nicely now, and they have the payment integration fixed. It's working, and your email autoresponder can be integrated. And they also added some smart pixeling, so you can add your Facebook pixel, and it's going to track that even better for you. So the offer that this is Friend Connector, which I'll cover here on Facebook. This is a tool that I use to grow kind of organically for free on Facebook for a long time, and I still do it. So I only had probably 400 friends or so before I started using Friend Connector. You can see now I'm up over 3,000. Some of you are probably seeing me post every now and then. You didn't know who I was. I'm a marketer, but I'm not like a spammy marketer that's going to spam you or do any of that stuff. So just keep me as a friend. I'm here to help you grow your business using these tools and automation techniques. So a couple things you want to do before you run Friend Connector is kind of optimize your Facebook profile. So when someone comes through and checks you out, like, why is this person adding me as a friend? They'll kind of know what you're about. You can put links to your website. And I have a training. That's one of the bonuses you're going to get when you sign up for Friend Connector here. It's how to turn your profile into a social funnel. So that's really important to get the max value out of using Friend Connector. You want to have your profile optimized. Anywhere you look on my profile, if you click the cover photo, I've got links to my site. I've got calls to action. you could text demo to 319-250-6868. That's going to fire automations with Chirply, the main software that I promote. That's awesome for anyone who wants to free up time, get more leads, and turn those leads into sales on autopilot. And I just really cover the features of the product and also what it's going to help you eliminate if you switch to Chirply. And again, a call to action at the bottom. So that's my cover photo. A lot of people have like a picture of a tiger up here, or like the woods, or, you know, it might be some artwork that their kid did, which is great. But if you really want to use Facebook as a marketing platform, as a business owner, this is all free real estate to advertise on. So really think about optimizing that. You can see there's some blank space here. That's because on mobile, this image goes to the center. So you need to kind of optimize it both ways. So you can see kind of my text here tells you what I'm about, what I can do for you. I also have a call to action here. Even if you don't click into my cover photo, you can still see that call to action. It's like a big billboard. Then down here, I cleaned up all this messiness, right? There's no how many boyfriends I've had, how many girlfriends, you know, what church you go to, when you graduated from high school, or any of that info. It's just pretty much what I'm here to do, help other entrepreneurs scale their business, and a link to my funnel. So this sales funnel was built in ClickFunnels, which I pay $97 a month for. That's going to be going away very soon, as soon as I get everything converted. But you can still come here and sign up for a free trial of ClickFunnels. Try it free for 7 days. You'll see some of the automation just from opting into this. It's going to send you a text message. And if you text the demo, that's my SMS autoresponder. So that'll set off a automation process as well. I added one featured image, and that featured image is displaying my offer, and it's pointing you, like reinforcing this link here. So everything about my profile, I kind of thought through and optimized. If you click into this, it's also got that same messaging with all the calls to action. And of course, I put my daughter in it because she's the best. But I also put the link down here to just reinforce it further. Like, no, this wasn't an accident. That's the link I want you to click. I don't have like 8 links to various social medias where I want you to go and get lost and not know what you're looking at. I kind of just gave you the gist of what you need to do. So that's all the kind of the precursor stuff for using Friend Connector. Now, this is what Friend Connector is going to help you with. My favorite way to use it is I find groups on Facebook where my ideal customers, my ideal clients are just regularly hanging out. And you come here to the Members tab, and then you can open the Chrome extension right here, this little circle. If I zoom in, that doesn't zoom in my Chrome extensions. But right here, it's just trust me, it's this little circle. It's the Friend Connector extension. So I popped it open, and this is all the kind of settings you'll use to run Friend Connector. So lookup interval, that tells it how often I want to add a new friend. I can limit my friend requests per day, or just set it to infinite, and it'll just keep running. So right now I'll limit it to 50. I'm going to move that to 5. And just for this demo, I'm going to set this to 30 seconds. So that'll show you kind of quickly how it works. You can start back from where you were. And if you do that, you'll add that position right here. So say you have been running it for a while and you get down to 9,000. If you want to start back where you left off, you'll just type in 9,000 there. The big thing you want to pay attention to is these keywords. So this is how you connect with your ideal audience. These keywords are what people put in their profile. They self-select themselves as business owners, CEOs, accountants, contractors, roofers, plumbers, real estate agents, whatever it might be. And if those are the people who you want to work with, if you're a marketing agency or if you're a wholesaler, whatever it is, find those key terms that the people you want to connect with would have on their profile. Enter that stuff right here, and you can click run. Another thing you can look at is these message groups. I'm not going to dive into these, but you can customize specific messages that will rotate, and they'll be customized to each person. So we'll say, hey, John, hey, Emily, hey, Brian, and then it will rotate your messages. You can create intros, bodies, and conclusions, and it'll just vary those responses. So you can kind of tweak your messaging, see what works, and just get good feedback at scale from your target audience. So it doesn't get much better than that. You don't have to pay for ads or waste a bunch of your time. All you have to do is set up these simple settings and click run. Now you can see it ran until it found a keyword. So Garrett is a realtor and investor, so it sent him a friend request. Now I set the interval for 30 seconds. So in another 30 seconds, it's going to find the next person that matches that keyword, and it's going to add that person. It skips over anyone who doesn't match that keyword. So Annalise is also a realtor, which is one of my keywords, so it's sending her a friend request. Maybe they'll add me as a friend and watch this video, and they'll be like, whoa, this guy is cool. I'm going to buy stuff from him. Or at least that's the hope, you know. But I can let this run in the background. I've met a lot of clients doing this. Don't be spammy, though. Don't be spammy. You know what I mean? Find out what they're about. You know, this is how you can find your people. You can find your people at scale. I'm looking to help people. I'm not trying to spam people or waste their time. We're all at different points in our business and life. I love working with entrepreneurs because they get it. They understand it takes hard work. And if I can make something easier for them or save them time, that's awesome. So that's Friend Connector, right? If I had the messages on, it would be sending them a message. I really don't like to spam people messages when I'm adding them. I just want to add them, and we'll get to know each other over time. You know what I mean? I'll start seeing their posts. If they get too like ranty on a certain topic, I might just be like, nah, you know what I mean? But that's how that works. After this fifth one who matched my keyword, the extension will be done. At any time, you can also come up here and just hit stop if you want to stop it, and then you can resume it later. So that's Friend Connector. Now think about the power that you could have with this, right? You could add 5,000 targeted leads because that's the friend limit on Facebook. They could come to your profile, which you've now optimized from the training that I'm going to give you. And even if you just listen to tips in the beginning of this live video, you kind of have an idea of what you need to do, right? So 5,000 leads, come to your optimized profile, check out your offer, what it's about, and that's all done on autopilot. How much do 5,000 leads cost in your business, right? And what's your time worth? I feel like it's a no-brainer to automate this, find the people you want to work with at scale, and build your reputation up. Then as a bonus option, after 5,000, you could just hit the reset button and add 5,000 more in the same niche or even in a different niche. Say you thought you wanted to work with plumbers, you found out that they're too hard to work with. Well, delete them all, switch to dentists or chiropractors, right? And then hit that automation button, let it run in the background for you while you're doing other work. They're just dropping into your funnel on your profile, and that's just a part of your process now. I don't run it all the time, but you can add 50 to 100 a day easy. Some people push it and do like 200, kind of up to you. But then you'll get these other key pieces set up too, like an SMS autoresponder. Pair that with this, you're just getting leads automatically. Even just having a funnel where it could be a free giveaway, right? You could give something of value to your target audience. That's what you need to do anyways to build the know, like, and trust factor. If you want people to work with you, give them some value first. So that's what the social funnel is about. It's just trying to automate that process a little bit to free up your time. So that's what Friend Connector does. I have an exciting one coming out that's going to work well with this very soon, called Genius Messenger CRM. You can kind of scroll down my timeline if you're on Facebook and find that video where I just covered Genius Messenger and what it's going to do for you. Basically, it's going to turn your Facebook into a sales pipeline. So you can categorize people with tags. You'll have canned responses in there where you don't have to copy and paste things or say the same thing over and over. You'll have all your assets and your scripts ready to go. And you can follow people through the sales process from cold outreach, which you can automate now with Friend Connector, all the way to booking a call or getting a sale, whatever it might be in your process. So that's coming soon. So an unpublished bonus that's going with the first 3 people who sign up for this, I'm going to hook you up with that as well. But this price is going up. It's $17 a month, right? So this is going to be going up to $47 a month. I've held this price for a long time. Now with a functioning funnel builder, which is $97 to $297 a month, it's even more valuable. So I can't keep it down any longer. You're also going to get a Link Wizard account. So Link Wizard is going to track your marketing results. This is a Link Wizard link. A lot of people use Bitly, kind of similar. Link Wizard's a little more powerful. in that you can add a Facebook pixel directly into the links. You can brand them to your custom domain. So instead of building Bitly's brand, you're building your brand. And it's going to track all your clicks for you. Just pull this up quick. So you create short links. It kind of cleans them up, and you can customize them to whatever you want. Like, look at this long link. If you share this, no one is going to click on it, right? That's why you use Link Wizard, and you turn it into something like this. It looks a lot smaller. It's simple, and people are going to know what it's about because you customize the back end of it. This one here, you can see I got 110 clicks. It gives you some data about where your clicks are coming from, what platform, and all that stuff. You can also add your pixel. So I have my Facebook pixel right into the link. So anytime someone clicks it, I'm getting data for my pixel. You can also create file links. So if you need some way to deliver like a PDF or a free guide of some sort, you can just use a file link like this. I got one right here. It's a Freedom Factory workbook that I created. I'll just post this in the comments so you can see how it works. So some cool things about Link Wizard is you can create these custom link previews. So it'll be exactly what you want it to look like on social media. You can see it says go.tryjohnson.com. That's my personal domain. It's the Freedom Workbook, free net worth tracker. Someone clicks it, it pops up a password. So you can password protect your file links. You don't have to, it's just an option, but that's a cool feature. You can also create these opt-in links. If you just need a simple way to get some info from someone, like their email and stuff, these work really well. It looks kind of like a Google form, right? And this integrates with Zapier, so you can send this data anywhere, automate things like that. If I get a phone number, I could start a phone call with Chirply just from these little Link Wizard links. So those are the 3 software products you're getting. The first 3 people are going to get Genius pages as well. I'll drop this on Facebook. I'm going to bounce this video down as well and upload it to YouTube. Then I'm going to send it to my email list. So whoever jumps on this deal is going to get one of the 3 Genius pages accounts included at that $17 a month rate. And this is kind of just a test for me, because this is the first time I actually added a payment onto a Genius page. So I want to just make sure everything's working, and I'll be able to set up my automations on the background once I get some data going through here. So after you sign up, I'll probably have to manually create your accounts, but you'll be taken to a thank you page that's going to give you your receipt, and then it's going to tell you, check your email. Your accounts will be set up shortly. Be sure to whitelist the email so you get updates on your order. I'm going to go in, manually set up your accounts, give you your username, passwords, and then after that, you'll be able to install the extensions, and I'll give you the links to the software that you can log in, and you'll be able to go in and start building funnels, tracking your links, and automating your outreach on Facebook. So if that sounds good, click this link right here. I just created this page in about 30 minutes just to test it out. That being said, hope you guys have a good one. I'll see you on the next training. Can't wait till Genius Messenger CRM comes out. You guys are going to love that one. Appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, guys, that was my presentation from Facebook. If you stayed until the end, drop the code below in the comments, and I got a special gift for you as well. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and smash that bell for future videos like this one. Appreciate you guys. Freedom Factory, I'm out.